Hello everyone, hope you're doing well today. We have an unboxing from the Real Real. This is a handbag that I purchased recently and we're going to unbox it today. And by the way, just take a look at, there's nothing really fancy about the Real Real's packaging, even though they do charge for shipping regardless of the size of the item and how much you spend. They always charge for shipping. But, so you would think their packaging would be nicer, but it's not. See this? This is it. That's the gist of their packaging. Okay. Here's this little dust bag. Not the best quality, but it's something. Okay. And this is the bag that I purchased. This is the LONGCHAMP CUIR leather. First impression, it's really lightweight. And I am so happy about that because I've been staying away from all leather handbags because it just weighs down everything so much. Recently, I tried to use my Coach Rogue and I couldn't use it for more than a couple of days because it was just so incredibly heavy and it wasn't even full. I don't carry too much. But this was listed at excellent condition and I had been waiting to get one of these. They retail for over $500 and this one was below $200, so it was quite a deal, and it was listed in excellent condition. So the corners are all, that's the first thing I look for when I purchase a LONGCHAMP, are the corner wear, because this is the first thing that seems to show some distressing, at least with the canvas ones. But this really does look almost brand new. I guess, believe this is the older model. I think the newer model has a wider strap now. And also I was holding out for a smaller, let's see this right here, for the smaller version, because these bags hold so much. They don't look like they do. I'll show you a comparison in a second to the small. Let's see what's got some bubble. Oh, I did not expect for this to come with its own dust bag. That's nice. Here's the interior. And it's this beautiful ox blood color. They had it listed as burgundy, and I'm not sure if it's burgundy or oxblood, but I love this color. I think it's so beautiful. Such a beautiful color for the winter, for fall. I'm just checking and see if there's any wear in here. And it really does look in a great shape. Wow, it has the little booklet. And I say that because I've purchased other LONGCHAMPs from the Real Real, and it will say no wear, and then I'll get it, and then the corners will have a lot of wear. And at that point, I'd rather just buy a new one. I mean, it just makes more sense at that point to purchase it at the retail price, because it's not that much, unless that doesn't bother you. But if those corners start to wear, then you might eventually end up with a hole in your bag. Let me see. There's no tags. I don't know. Okay, here we go. Here's the little inside. People always, it says made in France. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so let me show you in comparison to the other small one that I purchased from the Real. Here's the other. You can see that. This one's a little bit longer, and this holds so much. But let me show you. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that corner wear or not, but this already had corner wear, and I just didn't bother contacting the Real. I have had experiences where there's wear or there's some sort of something that was not listed in the description, and I will contact the Real, and they've been pretty good about allowing me to return something, even though it was sold as a final sell. But if you contact them, if you find an issue that wasn't listed, I would just contact customer service and see what they could do. But this already had corner wear, and you know, I kind of wish I had just bought it at the boutique or somewhere else for brand new, because when all four corners have wear, and you know, you don't want that. But this does have a cross. You can wear this crossbody with this strap here, and I'm just checking to see if doesn't look like there's a lot of wear on this strap either. Oh my goodness. So this was such a bargain. It was listed, I think, at right around at 200 plus. It was on sale for an additional 20% off, I believe. I don't remember. I just know that it was below 200. And these retail, the small ones, start at $580 maybe. I don't know. I don't remember off the top of my head. And I was so excited when I saw this because it was in the color that I had been wanting. It was in the size I had been wanting. I didn't want a medium. The small is plenty big for me. And it was in leather, and I don't own a leather one, and I'd been wanting one, and I didn't want to pay full price for one. And it was listed in excellent condition, which I am looking at this, and it is definitely an excellent condition. And this is really lightweight. If you're someone who avoids full leather bags because of their weight, this is very lightweight. Like, I am just blown away at the quality and how soft and buttery it feels, but it's so incredibly lightweight. Like I said, I've got a couple of beautiful handbags that I just don't use because they just weigh so much, and it just kind of makes wearing them unenjoyable. But here it is, crossbody. You can get a look at that. And, you know, here it is. I don't know if you want to see that in comparison to the smaller. So this is small and this is small. This is what's considered the small with the top handle. But I believe the small with the longer handle is slightly bigger than this. And if you'd like to see a comparison between the ones that I have, just let me know. I will do that. Okay, well, I'm so glad it worked out. I'm glad I waited. I've been waiting for maybe over a year or something to get a good bargain like this on the Real. And my wait paid off. This is in great condition. I'm excited about this handbag. I can't wait to get it, just, you know, condition the leather a little bit and get my stuff inside of it. Well, I hope you're doing well, and I hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you next time. Bye.